When we are configuring the environment, it's important to see if your environment is available to implement the Power Virtual Agents. We have this link here. I will put this link inside the resource in this lesson, but you can just search data locations Power Virtual Agents. You can see this documentation. Basically, we have some locations here like United States, Europe, Australia, United Kingdom, India, Asia, Pacific, Japan, Canada. And Canada, it's a new data location deliverable to Microsoft. But if your environment are in this location, you can create the Power Virtual Agents chatbots. Okay, if you don't see if your environment is not available, you just create. I will show how can you create an environment inside your company. But basically, you can open the Google, just search Power Virtual Agents. Open the first link, and you can start free. Basically, this license will be available 30 days, and you can subscribe again and receive more 30 days free. Okay, start free and insert your work email address. If you have the school email address, you can open two. If you don't have the work email address, you can create one environment like demos.microsoft.com. You can create the free environment inside your customer, inside your organization, just to test and use the Power Virtual Agents. I will insert my work email address, and I receive the message. You have an account with us using this email with another Microsoft service already. I have in this environment, I have the Office 365. Just sign in and insert your password. And stay signing. I just click yes. And you need to read the terms and conditions and the privacy policy. And after to read this topic, you just can select would you like to share my information with partners, and you just create this environment. This process will be launched in some minutes. Please don't close this window because Microsoft are creating your environment. After the creation process, you can sign in again. Just click here. Insert your credentials again. Now I can see the Power Virtual Agents environment. and I can see welcome to Power Virtual Agents and select my region. Today I'm staying in Brazil, and I can select Brazil and get started. Now I can see how can I create the first chatbot, the new chatbot in my environment. You can select more options to see your environments available. If you don't see any environment here, you can create. How can you create an environment? You can click in this documentation and automatically you can open this link and you can read and how can you create a new environment. You can open the admin.powerplatform.com, open this link, select your credentials again, and I can see my default environment that is available in the United States region, and you can create a new environment here. Just click here, select the name of your environment, select if it's the sandbox, production, or trial environment, select the region. Now you can select the supported region like United States, Europe, Asia, Japan, Canada, United Kingdom, United States. South America and France is not available yet, but Europe it's available. You can select here. In North America, you can select here.